Hi everyone, welcome back again to the bar. Today we're going to be making a rounded edge border with CapCut on PC. Alright, print. Okay, so you just go to CapCut, you open up CapCut, you go to create project, and then you import your video. Okay, just import the video to CapCut. So let's use this video here. Okay, you import your video and then you bring your video to the timeline. So let's bring the video to the timeline. Okay, so you bring the video to the timeline. So this is the video that we're going to be making the rounded edge border with. Okay, once you get your video like this, you come over here to mask. Okay, and then you go to rectangle. You go to rectangle, you open this to the size that you want, so you can make it bigger like this. Okay, and then you come over here where it says round corners. Okay, so you get this round corner and then you bring it in like this, like how you want it to be. Okay, that's about it. See how we have beautiful round corners? Yeah, that's it. That's all it, right? So you start playing your video and you see how it plays out. Let's watch. Okay. If you like it, just subscribe to the channel and I'll be bringing you more videos. All right, bye.